Tehillim 62. For the chief musician, to Yeduthan, a psalm by David. My soul rests in Elohim alone. My Yeshua is from him. He alone is my rock and my Yeshua, my fortress. I will never be greatly shaken. How long will you assault a man? Would all of you throw him down, like a leaning wall, like a tottering fence? They fully intend to throw him down from his lofty place. They delight in lies. They bless with their mouth, but they curse inwardly. Selah. My soul, wait in silence for Elohim alone, for my expectation is from him. He alone is my rock and my Yeshua, my fortress. I will not be shaken. With Elohim is my Yeshua and my honor. The rock of my strength and my refuge is in Elohim. Trust in him at all times, you people. Pour out your heart before him. Elohim is a refuge for us. Selah. Surely men of low degree are just a breath, and men of high degree are a lie. In the balances they will go up. They are together lighter than a breath. Don't trust in oppression. Don't become vain in robbery. If riches increase, don't set your heart on them. Elohim has spoken once. Twice I have heard this, that power belongs to Elohim. Also to you, Adonai, belongs chesed, for you reward every man according to his work.